What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I cover everything JASMY fam. I am back with another video for you guys. Y'all see the bounce? I hope y'all see the bounce. I hope y'all see the bounce in the JASMY chart, man. A lot of people was like, no, I told y'all it's a scam, this is that. Y'all see the bounce, man. I hope y'all see the bounce in the chart. Guys, overall the markets are super bullish, and I really think we're at the literal start of the bull market. It's clear as day, and I'll get into all of that information in this one. I also have a video from the JASMY fam. I think it's from the Deacon. I'll correct myself whenever I get to it, but there's a lot of bullish things that's happening for the overall markets, and it's good for JASMY as well, right? So think of it from this perspective. Bitcoin is going crazy and crushing it. Altcoins that have good, strong fundamentals like JASMY will crush it as well. It's just clear as day, right? Bitcoin is the lead market mover, and then altcoins follow Bitcoin, and then who knows what could happen while JASMY is following Bitcoin and crushing it to the upside. New catalysts could arise, new use cases, new trends. You know, the stock market might all of a sudden be super focused on data going into the bull cycle. And guess what gets another so imagine a rocket ship that is, you know, firing on all, you know, all the rockets, all cylinders, just absolutely crushing it, just going straight to Mars, right? And then this is with JASMY following Bitcoin, and then the stock market, data is super important. We need to focus on data companies. All of a sudden that rocket ship gets 10 more fuel thrusters, 100 more fuel thrusters to go even further beyond, you know, and go straight to Pluto, right? So that's how I see it for when it comes to JASMY, guys, because of the utility and use case and how it will play out going into the future of the world. The Internet of Things, IoTs, the data protection, security, and, you know, being able to earn from your data. It's all great use cases that will be very important in the next 10 years, you know, the next decades to come, actually, because we could just see technological advancements daily for our, you know, in our day-to-day lives. Look at how fast AI became, you know, a part of everyone's life, right? And the technology will just keep advancing, and so will crypto. And projects that have great utility that is focused on the future will continue to grow, in my personal opinion, right? So JASMY fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in once again. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, get it to 10,000 views, guys. Let's dive in. So right here we can see the JASMY chart. Like I said, y'all seen the bounce. Do y'all see this bounce? $425 for 100k JASMY, just around 430, and it's already ready. It's already starting to make a nice little pop up, right? Because Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin doing? It's making a nice little pop up as well, right? That's what Bitcoin is doing, right? So yeah, you just what's great about CoinMarketCap, you could always compare. So you can see, look at our JASMY compared to the Bitcoin chart. It's literally the same thing. So with Bitcoin breaking out, expect JASMY to start breaking out, to continue to break out as well, even after this retrace that that recent dip that we got, right? So Willow, JASMY dropped another bag in. Let's go. Human. People shilling other projects. Stop shilling other projects on the JASMY July 4th discount. From Ma Holder Sell, I bought at 455. Nice entry. From Millhouse, don't sell, you from Willow. Well, time to buy another bag. From Chris Tech, I don't care what anyone here says, I will sit by bit by bit and buy bit by bit every day on JASMY. But yeah, guys, like literally just go to CoinMarketCap for yourself right now, and then hit the compare, and then type in Bitcoin, and then you will see the JASMY chart, which is in the blue, and the Bitcoin chart, which is in the orangish brownish color, right? Basically the same chart, man. And when Bitcoin starts to pop up from here, guess what JASMY's gonna do? It's gonna follow, man. Let's also take a look at some of my comments, see what people are saying. From Brian, thanks for all you do. Shout outs to you, Brian. KRS Happiness is called Jasmy. Shout outs to all the Jasmy fam. Follow me, Rhythm for the Algorithm. Jasmy build the Bitcoin of Japan. Facts from Cash 86 cents and factor in a lockup for Q4 $1 to $3. Jose Hernandez window. Whenever the bull market is, my guy, this is why you hold. You can't expect to buy. People expect they're gonna buy crypto one day and then a week later they're rich. It doesn't work like that. You're gonna have to hold for like months to years. That's how it works, right? The richest people in Bitcoin, right, or other assets, Ethereum, BNB, they had to hold for years to see those crazy gains, guys. So, you know, just be patient, man. Buy your bags, add to your bags, be patient. From Jasmy AI. Oh, not okay. So this wasn't from. Okay, so this wasn't from the Deacon. This is from Jasmy AI or Hey Samuel Kim. Prime Minister of Japan Fumio Kishida speaks at the opening of IVS Crypto 2023. Oh, and this is the same event that Jasmy has their booth at. That's insane. Okay, nice connections right here. Look at this.
の開催にあたり一言お祝いを申し上げます。私は社会課題の解決を成長のエンジンとする新しい資本主義という考え方で政策を進めています。本日お集まりの皆さんのようなスタートアップはこの考え方をまさに体現する主役です。スタートアップ政策を強化すべく5カ年計画としてスタートアップへの投資額を2027年度に現在の10倍を超える10兆円規模とすることを打ち出しました。また先日取りまとめた経済財政政策の基本的な方針である骨太の方針2023において人材、資金供給、オープンイノベーションの推進の3本柱で政策をさらに強化していくこととしています。ストックオプション制度の充実、ベンチャーキャピタルの強化。
Man, there's so much happening, man. Look at this, man. Japan is slowly embracing that crypto, guys. Slowly, oh my gosh. Crypto is gonna take over, man, in projects like Jasmy with its innovative and unique use case. Will be here for the long term, guys. I'm telling you, you can't fade, man. Don't ignore it. The same IVS event that Jasmy's attending, the Japanese Prime Minister is talking, giving his opening speech on it, man. That's crazy. Let's continue, man.
インパクトスタートアップの支援など、具体的な政策をスピード感を持って動かしていきます。このカンファレンスは国内外のスタートアップ関係のキープレイヤーの皆さんが一堂に会し、経営戦略や産業の未来について語り、同時に世界に対して日本のスタートアップの可能性を発信する場と伺っております。伝統と文化の集積地であるここ京都から日本のスタートアップエコシステムが花開くきっかけが生まれることを期待しています。結びとなりますが、本日お集まりの皆様のご活躍、そして我が国でスタートアップが次々と生まれ発展していくことを心より記念申し上げて、私のご挨拶とさせていただきます。ありがとうございました。
Arigato Kishida Fumio Sensei. Arigato. So yeah, guys, he's wishing the success for venture capitalists, startups, stocks, crypto. It's also a part of it, man. Jasmy, man. Jasmy's telling y'all, it's gonna crush it. Houston, Japan featured speakers at WebEx Asia's leading Web3 conference, 25th to 26th July. Prime Minister of Japan, Taira Masaki, interim proposals for Web3 policies. It has been approved on May 20, 2023. The announcement was made by Taira Masaki. Okay, nice stuff. Yuga Labs. Okay, somebody from Yuga Labs is speaking there. MakerDAO, Layer Zero. Japan's LDP approves Web3 proposal to pave the way for blockchain. Look at that, man. And as Japan gets more and more into the crypto space, Jasmy, the godfather of data, man, from Forza. As Japan gets more and more into the crypto space, guys, Jasmy is gonna be one of those big projects that just absolutely crushes it. Delta Lounge, look at this, at the booth, man, at the booth, at the Jasmy booth. Nice stuff. Tadashi Morita, Chief Security Officer and Senior Strategist of Jasmy, former engineer for Sony, developer of many technologies, applied for over 100 patents while working for Sony. Jasmy has the dream team of Sony. Tadashi Morita, man. Crazy stuff, man. Super crazy stuff. You guys gonna fade a project that has people that worked in Sony for many years. I'm not gonna fade that. The Wolf of Meme Street, after HSBC's announcement, the largest bank in HK to allow customers to trade crypto ETF, the biggest investment management, Hang Seng, said it could enter the crypto trading investment. Ooh, slow, but Jasmy appears to have made good decision entering HK's market. Hang Seng Investment Management, we are reviewing the possibility of existing investment products configuring virtual currency. Wow. Guys, the more I read, the more bullish I get. Candlestick maker Jasmy's deal with a market maker impact on its price is summed up by one word: ignition. Ignition. He called it for $17, Jasmy. How many people gonna be billionaires from that, man? And we got some overall news as well. Like I said, guys, overall the markets are getting super bullish, right? And with bullish sentiment, new retail investors coming into the space, that's all the catalyst you need for Jasmy to explode, right? But with the team also building the project and eventually, you know, announcing certain news or catalysts, that's gonna add even more fuel to the fire for the Jasmy ignition. You know, according to Candlestick Maker, the United Kingdom officially recognizes Bitcoin as financial asset. Guys, more and more people are going to be bullish on crypto, and it's clear as day. Nations will integrate crypto into their day-to-day lives. We could clearly see that happening. Look right here on my trending tab, right here, live as we speak, man. I just saw it. Jasmy trending, 1,000 tweets, man. Trending on Twitter, man. It's only a matter of time until it gets to 10 million tweets, right? Crazy, man. Fidelity resumes bid for spot Bitcoin ETF after BlackRock enters the race. Fidelity is a $4.5 trillion asset fund. Guys, it's gonna be crazy. The Nasdaq 100 is currently on track for its best first half of the year since 1983. The Nasdaq 100 is one of the lead market movers for risk on assets, which crypto is. The Nasdaq 100 keeps performing that well. I'm telling you guys, crypto will also perform that well. It's the start of the bull run, guys. It's the start, I'm telling you. Growing list of Bitcoin ETF applications, as we can see here. We have so many lists, so many. This is all the institutional and hedge funds banking money that could potentially come into the space for Bitcoin. As you guys can see, 2 of them have been approved: the Valkyrie leverage ETF and the Teucrium ETF. Only 2 so far. Look at all these others that have been denied and the ones that are unknown, right? I'm telling you, when all of this turns to approved, imagine the amount of money that will flow into the space. Jasmy fam, hold on to your seatbelts. It's gonna get wild. You guys might not believe it, but it's gonna get truly wild, okay? It's going to get wild, and Jasmy's gonna crush it, man. I'm telling you guys, this is one of those altcoins that you don't fade. You know, what I look for tokenomics. Almost all the supplies out for Jasmy. No more crazy dumps could happen as far as price. I look for a great team. The team is out there in right now at the IVS event where the Prime Minister just made his opening speech. So who knows? The JASMY team could speak with the Prime Minister of Japan. Who knows, right? These things could happen. I look for a strong community. Strongest community I've seen in a while. JASMY. This is what I look for in a great project, man. And that's how that's what I'm saying. I gotta be a part of the JASMY fam. I'm not gonna miss this train. I am not gonna miss this train. So yeah, we can see a nice little breakout happening. We might just continue the uptrend that we had right here, back here. We might go right back into that uptrend. It's a nice day. We've seen a nice pop up. Today's Thursday, so we could go into a weekend pump for the markets. We'll see what happens, guys. But yeah, JASMY fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything JASMY and myself will be in the description, right? And also, please go back and rewatch all my JASMY videos. Every single JASMY video I have posted, go and rewatch it, like it, share it, comment. My goal is for the JASMY videos to blow up, just like how the XRP community. Look at this, man. XRP videos, 12,000 views, 9,000 views, 24,000 views, 17,000, 9,000, 11,000, 53,000. The XRP community is super strong, right? And the content creators of XRP, they are spread it. As the first project I bought was XRPY. That was the first project I bought. I bought it because that was the first thing that got recommended to me from crypto. If you guys crush these JASMY videos and blow them up, the first thing people are gonna get recommended and be probably the first project people get into, it's gonna be JASMY, right? Just think from that perspective. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Once again, like, comment, subscribe. Also, join the Patreon to support the channel. Personally recommend my Crypto Elite tier. You get buy alerts, sell alerts, and my private Discord. You could probably potentially get into altcoins that give you 5 to 10x's to add to your JASMY stack, or just keep building out your portfolio. Thank y'all once again, and I'll catch you in the next one.